Get ready to be amazed as Elon Musk unveils his latest groundbreaking invention that's poised to completely revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. The Tesla CEO has announced a cutting-edge battery technology that not only increases energy density by an astounding 20%, but also slashes production costs in half. This game-changing innovation is poised to crush range anxiety and affordability issues, making electric vehicles accessible to the masses and driving us towards a sustainable energy future. But what is this extraordinary battery made of? And can it truly live up to the lofty promises Musk has set? Let's dive in and find out. Introducing the lithium polymer battery, or LiPO for short, a rechargeable battery technology that has been taking the world by storm. With a solid-state polymer electrolyte, LiPO batteries offer unparalleled performance and versatility, making them the perfect choice for powering sleek smartphones, tablets, and wearables. Their high energy density, low self-discharge rate, and long cycle life have made them a popular choice in portable electronics. But that's not all. LiPO batteries can be made in virtually any shape or size, opening up exciting possibilities for innovative designs. However, LiPO batteries come with their fair share of challenges, such as sensitivity to overcharging, over-discharging, and physical damage. Proper handling is crucial to ensure safety and longevity, but how do these batteries stack up in terms of cost? Well, depending on factors like capacity, voltage, and size, the price of a LiPO battery can range from $5 to $50, while EV-specific LiPO batteries can run anywhere from $100 to $200 per kilowatt-hour of storage capacity. Now, let's take a look at the fascinating world of battery rumors and lesser-known facts. Word on the street is that Tesla's new LiPO battery technology will be available as early as 2024, offering a jaw-dropping 50% reduction in production costs compared to current lithium-ion batteries. This development is expected to make electric vehicles more affordable and accessible than ever before, but it doesn't end there. LiPO batteries also have higher energy density, which translates to a longer driving range, making them more practical for daily use. Plus, they're known for their longer lifespan and reduced self-discharge rate, resulting in lower maintenance costs and an overall better ownership experience. Rumor has it that other car manufacturers are also hopping on the LiPO bandwagon, with some already incorporating them into their electric vehicles. As this technology becomes more widespread, we can expect a significant surge in electric car production, leading to a more sustainable future for the transportation industry. So, what does the future hold for lithium polymer batteries? With their higher energy density, reduced production costs, and improved performance, LiPO batteries are set to revolutionize the electric vehicle industry, making electric cars more practical, accessible, and affordable for everyone. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more car manufacturers embracing LiPO batteries, driving the transition to a more sustainable transportation future. What do you think about this mind-blowing new battery technology? Will it be the one to dethrone lithium-ion in the electric vehicle world? Share your thoughts and speculations in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Elon Musk's latest innovation, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the thrilling developments in the world of Elon Musk Industries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.